Yo guys, welcome back. It's your favorite boy Ep4 back again with another one, and we are back for the fourth episode 4 of the $20 to $100 challenge video that we started. And it's going pretty great. It's going pretty great. I'm not going to lie to you. Remember in the previous episode, I said that I didn't want the video to be too long, so I had to stop the video where I stopped the video. But today is Wednesday, and yesterday I took another trade. Not just another trade, 2 more trades. Our account balance was sitting at $40. Same yesterday when my video finished at the episode 3. But in this episode 4, I'm going to be showing you guys how the remaining trade went for Tuesday. This is currently Wednesday. I've already woken up, I've done my chores, done everything I need to do this morning. So I'm going to be showing you guys how the trade went yesterday. I took 2 trades, one on AUD/USD, one on EUR/USD, and both went successfully well. Our account is currently sitting on $75. Our account is currently sitting on $75. That is growth, man. We really made that progress. From $20, we are growing it to $75, and we are actually getting closer, even more and more closer to the $100 threshold that we are trying to achieve on this video. I'm going to be showing you guys the breakdown of the trades I took yesterday on AUD/USD and EUR/USD, and show you guys how I went about it. And let's just see how it's going to go today. But right about now, let me take you guys to the screen and show you guys what I took yesterday. Let's go. So guys, real quick, let me show you guys how I got this EUR/USD setup as first. I actually didn't wait for this setup to go full TP. Like I said initially, we already know that the direction of the market was actually buying to the upside. So I just looked for another SFPK opportunity to buy. So I saw this particular trend line came up and came down and it went back up to the trend line. Then it sold massively to the downside, came back up to the trend line, and you already know I'm waiting for a situation where the market will actually break above the trend line and give me a point of interest where I'm going to buy from. I was looking for that, and then the market finally broke above the trend line. Simple. Came back to my point of interest right here. This other block right here was my point of interest, and as soon as it tapped into my point of interest, consolidated a bit and then to the upside, boom, to the upside. I think I took out my full TP from here because the market was reversing, and I was actually expecting the market to reverse back down to this place, and I didn't want to lose all this profit. So I took it out because I saw another opportunity on AUD/USD that I wanted to capitalize on. It was a clearer opportunity, a better opportunity. This trade actually went above a 1:3, but I was actually aiming for a 1:3.8 because I wanted the account to be on $60 profit. So I waited for it to actually, it almost touched my TP around here, but it never did. But around this point that it was around 1:3.5, I think. But I already took partials from here and I waited for it to go up. It almost touched my TP but reversed on me, so I took my TP from around here, which was still above a 1:2 or almost a 1:2, about a 1:9.5. I think 1:9.5 or something like that. And then it reversed on me, and finally later on in the night finally hit my TP to the upside. And if you check EURUSD now, it actually went crazy. It went crazy to the, like really crazy, like really crazy to the upside. So that is how I caught the trade on EURUSD. Now let me show you guys the AUD trade too. So it's still the same concept for AUD also. So this was the AUD I wanted to trade after I left the EURUSD, after I actually closed my profits for EURUSD. This was a trend line to the upside. The market just reversed to touch this trend line. I'm the kind of person that I just don't trade from a reversal point. You understand? I need to see some things that are going to make me be like, you know what, this market is about to go this direction or go that direction. So immediately thought this trend line. This trend line is a major trend line. Immediately thought this trend line. The only time I waited for was a break of structure. You guys already know that I wait for a break of structure a lot. This was a downtrend. Came down, broke the structure, broke above this last time to the upside, and I just waited for it to reverse back to my point of interest. And as soon as it reversed back to my point of interest right here, I stepped into the trade and boom, sniper entry. Never coming back to my entry point again. Never coming back to my sniper entry to the upside. Boom, and that's how we got it. And we got our 1:3 on the trade. It was not actually 1:3. It was about 1:. Yes, it was 1:3. It was a full 1:3 I got on it. So this particular trade, I caught a full 1:3 on it, and I think I made about $21. So right about now, the account is sitting on $75. We are pretty close to actually achieving the $100, $20 to $100 free. And this trade happened on Tuesday. And right about now, we are just going to step away from the market and let's see how Wednesday goes for us. Tomorrow is Wednesday. Let's see how Wednesday goes for us, and hopefully it goes well for us so that we can actually achieve that $100 threshold. So for now, let's step away. Come back later. So guys, that was the breakdown of the trade I took yesterday that took us from $40 balance that we had after our first win yesterday to $75 balance that we have today. So right about now, today is Wednesday, and I'm still looking for an opportunity to trade in the market. London session is already in, and I'm seeing some good setup on EURUSD right now, of which I'm trying to capitalize on. If the trade finally activates me and it takes me in, I'm going to let you guys know and show you guys what made me to take that trade and how the trade went at the end of the day. So right about now, let's step away from the market and come back later. Let's go. So guys, that was the trade we took this morning, and it's quite unfortunate that we actually hit our stop loss today. We are risking $8 on that trade. And the trade was actually giving a positive vibe at first. It was going up to the upside. I think the trade actually ran for like 1:2, got to 1:2, and then reversed on us and stopped us out. I actually had that feeling. I had that feeling initially that this market might want to reverse because it's actually overbought already. It has been buying since Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. It's still buying, and it still gave us a buy setup to take. But fortunately for us, we didn't lose $8 on this trade. We lost about $1.8. And the reason why we lost $1.8 was because on the way, while the trade was running, I actually took partials on the way. I took partials of about $3 something, reduced my risks. Then when it reversed on us, we lost $1.8. And that's one of the main things that I preach about taking partials. Paying yourself sometimes is really important. And people don't really see the importance of this thing. They discredit the fact that when you say pay yourself or take partials, they see you as a good trader. But it helps psychologically to manage your trade. If I didn't take that partials, I would have lost $8 today. But taking that partial now, I've reduced my losses to $1.8 today. And that is how we have been growing consistently. If you notice from the beginning of this journey till now, whenever I'm in a trade, I'm always taking partials, paying myself. And that is the main reason why you have been growing. So right about now, I'm going to be looking into the market for more trades. And if I find any more trade, I'm going to be trading and taking the appropriate risk I'm meant to take on the trade just for us to hit that $100 threshold. So I don't want this video to be too long. Any trade I'm going to be taking is going to be shown to you guys on the episode 5 that is coming up, which is going to be the next video. So guys, please like, comment and subscribe to my channel, and turn on the post notification also so that you can get notified when the next episode drops. Right about now, there's nothing more to say, nothing more to do. We're just going to check the markets, go for more trades, and show you the progress of the trade in the next episode. It's your favorite boy XFPK signing out. Let's go.